In this video, I will show you how to crop a picture in circle shape in Microsoft Excel. So there are two ways. Firstly, insert your picture. Adjust the size. Crop to shape. And here select any shape like circle. So select oval. Now press and hold shift and draw the in circle form. Here you can make more changes. You can change transparency. You can remove this outline. So to remove this outline, picture border and select no outline and click anywhere. Second method, insert shape, select oval, press and hold shift and draw the circle. Right click on it, then format shape. In the field, select picture and select your required picture and click anywhere. Here also you can remove this outline. So shape format and select no outline. Also you can add thick outline. So thanks for watching.